Hello students, good afternoon to you all. Myself, Pradeep Kumar, Miss St. Joseph Senior Secondary School, Sisma Bazar, Maharashtra. Today, I am going to teach you literature portion, class 10, lesson 1. That name is A Letter to God, written by G.L. Clements. So, before just to start this lesson, I want to say something about this lesson. Actually, this lesson is unquestionable belief in God, and it is Latin American country happened story. Actually, Lencho is the main protagonist of this story, witchcraft described, and he wrote a letter to God for Godhead. The letter is received by postman. Then after that he hand over it to the postmaster. Postmaster had him. So now let us uh, go to understand the whole story. In this lesson, A Letter to God, Lencho is a farmer who lived a low hill east. From this height, he was able to see his crops. His crops was in good condition, but his crops need some rainwater. On a particular Sunday, Lencho did nothing but saw towards northeast sky. And when he saw huge mountain type clouds approaching to northeast sky, then he expressed to his wife, "Woman, we are going to get water." His wife, who was preparing the supper, replied, "Yes, if God wills. Then surely we would get rain." As Lencho has predicated, soon the air changed and it began to fall. As a form of drop of water, means rain started. Lencho became very happy, and just to see the raindrops, he expressed, "These are not raindrops, these are coins." But soon, once again, the rain changed, and with the rain, hailstone began to fall. Lencho said, "It is really going to be bad, but it soon stopped." But the hailstone didn't stop. It continued hours. As a result, even a leaves cannot remain on the tree. Means the totally crops of Lencho destroyed. Lencho was very sad. But he told his family to have patience, as he had complete faith in God. So he told his wife and his children, "Don't worry, no one sees but God sees. God is Almighty, who had thousand angels who are always ready to carry command his orders without taking any rest. He is very merciful. He is very kind. Don't worry, we will not die of hunger. Surely God will help us. Although Lencho was a hard-working farmer, but he was not a illiterate. Means he knew how to read and write. So Lencho went to the post office, wrote a letter. In his letter he wrote, God, you know the hailstone destroyed my crop. So this year, if you would not help me, I with my family would strike and die of hunger. So to survive my family and to sow the next crop, I need 100 pesos. Then he put that letter in the mailbox. First of all, the letter was received by the postman. He laughed. In his life, he had not seen such type of letter in which a man had tried to talk with God. So he handed over it to the postmaster. The postmaster was an amiable man. Here, this is written in the main points of the story. Postmaster helped him. How? When the postmaster received that letter through the postman, so he was an amiable man. First of all, he laughed, but soon became serious. There is a question. Why he became serious? He became serious to see the firm faith of Lencho in God. And that's why he decided to reply the letter. But as soon as he opened that letter, then he came to know that to reply this letter, not only need of ink and paper, it needs money. But with the help of his employees, he collected money. Near about 70 pesos. 70 pesos. And putting in a envelope and signed as a only single one. When the next following Sunday, Lencho is there and asked the postman if there would any letter for him. It was postman who handed over the letter. The postmaster was seeing it through a small hole of the door. As soon as Lencho found the money, he did not show any surprise. On the contrary of it, he became angry. Once again, he bought an envelope and wrote a letter and put up it in the mailbox and went to his house. When now at this time the postmaster opened that letter, it was written in that letter, God, I know you never Sridham. You never denied my help as my needs were necessary. I demanded to you to send 100 pesos, but I have received only 70 pesos. I know it well that the post office employee stole that money. So the next time, send me the rest 30 pesos as I need, but not through the post office, but directly. As post office employees are bunches of crooks, mean dishonest person. Then that story ends. So this story shows how a man had firm faith in God. The motto of the story is that the God helps those who help themselves. Although Lencho was a farmer, but he knew how to read and write, and he did his duty, wrote the letter, will do the work. So, after the next video, if you have any doubt about its question and answer, so question and answer will be also very easy. If anybody asks to you, our question come in the examination, where did Lencho live? Simple answer, Lencho lived on a lohi rishi. What was Lencho mean? So, Lencho needs 100 pesos after his crop destroyed. But before the crop destroyed, he needed rent. Then, what type of person was the postmaster? The postmaster was an amiable man, helpful man. So, one thing to remember, this lesson depicts unwavering faith of a farmer that name is Lencho. Secondly, keep his immense belief in time. Here, Lencho had of an unquestionable belief in God, and this story happened in Latin American country. Main point, his graph described how so, whereas I think that it could be understood by you, and if you have any difficulty to solve this question and answer, I will provide its question and answer in the next video. Thanks.